We are going out to do a wireless audio test. Let's go. Gambi motorbike mount. That's right, that's how we roll. Is this thing on? Look at that setup. Look at that setup. Look at that. Look at that. Ah! Like I said, this is a wireless audio test. So right now you are hearing the audio that's coming from my AirPods in the mic. Here, right here. We're gonna get dinner right now, so yeah, join us for the vlog.
This Bluetooth audio support feature has got to be one of my favorite features on the Hero 12 Black. By now, you should know that the Hero 12 Black can connect up to 4 Bluetooth devices simultaneously. The Quick app, the Smart Remote, Volta, and your favorite Bluetooth earbud headphone or wireless mic connected directly to the Hero 12 Black without the need of the media mod or any other accessories. So, in this video, I will walk you through everything that you need to know about the Bluetooth audio support and how you can get started. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's get you connected to your Bluetooth device. The first step is to put your Bluetooth device into pairing mode. In this instance, I am using the Apple AirPods Gen 3, and once you see the white light starts flashing, I know that it's in pairing mode. Next, open your camera dashboard, swipe left and tap on Pair Device. Now, your GoPro will automatically start searching for compatible device. In this case, you can see that my AirPods have been found. I am going to add my AirPods to the camera. And voila! My AirPods is now connected to the camera and I am going to give it a test. Alright, what's up? How do I sound? Now, if you do not find your Bluetooth device here, more often than not, it is because that your earbuds are connected to another device, such as your phone or your computer. So simply disconnect it and you should be able to pair it to your GoPro camera. Simple as that. Let me know, what do you think? Alright, now that we've got the camera set up, I am going to go for a run. So I thought it would be the perfect opportunity to do a side-by-side test. Over here, I've got the Hero 12 Black on-camera mics versus Hero 12 Black with the Apple AirPods. And over here, Hero 12 Black Media Mod with the Rode Wireless Go 2. Well, let's get started, shall we? But before that, let's talk about the sponsor for today's video. BenQ, a Taiwanese tech company that makes projectors, monitors to lighting solutions like this. So, they sent me one of their latest product, the Screenbar Halo, to elevate my workstation setup. First of all, check out how beautiful is the illumination, right? I never knew I needed a desk lamp until I had this. With 3 immersive lighting modes and an auto-dimming feature that detects ambient light with the built-in light sensor, the Screenbar Halo supplements just the right level of illumination onto my desk, which helps reduce the strain on my eyes, especially when I'm working on my computer for such extended periods of time. The immersive backlight on the Screenbar Halo hits the wall behind the monitor, providing a consistent and soft, even lighting, creating this calming atmosphere around it. Now, don't get me started on the wireless remote. The premium metallic construction of the remote, together with the intuitive touch-sensitive controls, is simply flawless. This beautiful bezel around the dial allows you to adjust the white balance, brightness, and even save your favorite lighting preset. Lastly, it is super easy to install. The clamp design allows for highest compatibility from a flat monitor to a 31.5-inch curved monitor like mine. With a smart counterweight design, it sits firmly on top of the monitor, and with a magnetic adapter, you can attach your webcam to the screen bar. The Screenbar Halo truly is the ultimate lighting solution that reshapes the way that you think about a desk lamp at home. Now, if you want to get your hands on one of these bad boys, the link is in the description. Now, back to the video. That's the setup. Let's go for it. So, I'm off for my usual running route, and I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to do the wireless audio test. Let me know, what do you guys think about the audio quality? How does it sound on the Hero 12 Black on-camera mic? How does it sound on the Hero 12 Black with the Apple AirPods? And of course, how does it sound with the Rode Wireless Go 2?
Alright, right now we're on a busy street. We've got cars passing by me. How does the noise cancellation sound? Do you guys hear the cars driving by? Alright, right now we're on a busy street. We've got cars passing by me. How does the noise cancellation sound? Do you guys hear the cars driving by? Alright, right now we're on a busy street. We've got cars passing by me. How does the noise cancellation sound? Do you guys hear the cars driving by? Here's a fun fact. Beyond being able to narrate wirelessly, you will also be able to give voice command with the Bluetooth audio support. That means you can start or stop recording your GoPro from a remote distance. How about that? How about that? Something that I find myself loving about the Bluetooth audio support feature is that you can also hear audio prompts and playback from your media. What that really means is that I am able to play back my clips in a crowded environment directly to my Apple AirPods. I mean, it's super useful, especially when I'm checking back on my vlogs in noisy environments. In the past, I used to have to be able to pair my camera to the Quick App and then use my Apple AirPods to connect to the Quick App to play back my media. Now, do it directly from the camera. Super cool. In addition to that, it is also really good to note that as we are doing this side by side test, the audio quality is really dependent on the mic of the Bluetooth device that you're using. In this case, I am using the Apple AirPods. Maybe in the future vlogs, I might do a deeper dive with other brands of wireless earbuds and wireless mic. Until then, make sure you stay subscribed to the channel to check that out. Alright, we are gonna do a stationary audio test right now. I am gonna place the camera here. So let me know, what do you think of the audio quality from the Hero 12 Black on-camera mic versus Hero 12 Black with the Apple AirPods versus Hero 12 Black Media Mod with the Rode Wireless Go 2. I am probably about 10 meters away from the camera right now. Is the audio still clear? Do you hear me with any distortion? Alright, taking a couple of steps back. I am just gonna jump up and down, up and down. Alright, back to the camera. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think of this audio test? Alright, back with the run. Here is another interesting fact. With the Bluetooth audio support, you are essentially recording two different audio channels. The primary audio channel, the Bluetooth device, and the secondary audio channel, the on-camera mics. I mean, that's pretty cool, right? Being able to record your narration together with the environmental sounds. And in post-production, you can toggle your preference. Whether you want to hear the Bluetooth device mic only or the on-camera mic only. I can only imagine the possibilities with this feature. With that, I am gonna wrap up my run. That's it for today's video. As always, let me know in the comments, what do you think of the Bluetooth audio support feature? Until then, stay safe and I will see you next upload.